I am Emily, and today we are going to assemble the Abby 4-in-1 crib. Please make sure you have all the pieces and hardware, and if anything is missing, please contact Consumer Care. One way to make sure you are working with the correct hardware is to compare them to the illustrations in the instructions located in the pouch attached to the mattress support. Like that. First step, we will assemble the sides, and for this you'll need 6 40mm bolts, 4 55mm bolts, 4 barrel nuts, and the provided Allen wrench. Make sure to use the labels as guidance. Remember to use the short end of the Allen wrench to appropriately tighten the bolts. Remember to insert the barrel nuts sideways so that the bolt can go through. Like that. Second step, we will attach the front rail and stabilizer bar to the sides, and for this you'll need 6 80mm bolts, 6 barrel nuts, 2 metal pins, and the provided Allen wrench. Remember to insert the barrel nut on its side so that the bolt can go through. Remember to use the short end of the Allen wrench to appropriately tighten the bolts. Like that. Next, we will attach the mattress support. And for this, you'll need 4 18mm bolts and your provided Allen wrench. Remember to use the highest position for your newborn and go down as your child grows. Remember to use the short end of the Allen wrench to appropriately tighten the bolts. Like that. Next, we will attach the back rail, and for this you'll need 2 80mm bolts, 2 barrel nuts, and the provided Allen wrench. Don't forget to use the labels as guidance. Remember to insert the barrel nut on its side so that the bolt can go through. Remember to use the short end of the Allen wrench to appropriately tighten the bolts. Like that. Lastly, we will attach the top back rail, and for this you'll need 2 80mm bolts, 2 barrel nuts, 2 metal pins, and the provided Allen wrench. Remember to insert the barrel nut on its side so that the bolt can go through. Remember to use the short end of the Allen wrench to appropriately tighten the bolts. Like that. Don't forget to return your instructions to the pouch. You will need them later. And congratulations! You've just assembled your Abby crib. Now we will convert your crib into a daybed. Remember your instructions you put away? You are going to need them. First step, we will remove the front rail and stabilizer bar. And for this, all you need is your provided Allen wrench. Now that your child is grown, the mattress support should be at the lowest position. Like that. Lastly, we will reattach the stabilizer bar. And for this you'll need 4 80mm bolts, 4 barrel nuts, and the provided Allen wrench. Remember to insert the barrel nut on its side so that the bolt can go through. Remember to use the short end of the Allen wrench to appropriately tighten the bolts. Like that! Congratulations, you now have a daybed. Toddler bed guardrails and bed conversion rails are available for purchase.